Flooding and landslides triggered by heavy rain have killed at least 130 people in Rwanda and Uganda. This as rescuers search for survivors trapped in homes. The government is now counting the cost of all the damage as families prepare to bury their dead. Rivers of mud swept away homes and other infrastructure and cut off roads in several parts of the country, particularly the western province of Rwanda, where the worst devastation was reported. The death toll now tops 130 people, but officials say they expect that number to rise as rescuers continue to search through homes and businesses. At least 5,100 homes have been destroyed and another 2,500 homes damaged. That number of homeless from this natural disaster is unknown. Government officials have said they're just continuing to count.
N'umusaza nitwe twakoraga kugira ngo dufashe uwo muryango nta kintu dufite ubu twifashisha nitwe turaho twenyine nta kijyenda mwadufasha
umva ubuzima bwacu burahagarara kuko nta kintu tugira cyo kurya nta kintu tubona ntabwo tubona uko tujya gushakisha icyo kuba twarya nta kuntu tubona aho dutekera inzu ziba zakundutse imigezi iri mu amazi ari mu kuza nk'ubu ngubu mu nzu yanjye amazi ari mu aruzuye inzu yakundutse ubwo urumva nta mbega ndumva turahangayitse cyane.
The Prime Minister is expected to tour the worst affected regions this week when the roads are repaired. Officials have said they will pay 100,000 Rwandan francs, equivalent to 110 American dollars, to each family for every relative killed in this disaster. For many, however, the floods have taken away more than just lives. It's also destroyed their livelihood.
Ngubu amazu yaguye twatugeze igihe cyo gutanga mituweli nta muntu uzatanga mituweli hejuru uko aho twari kuzayikura ibishyimbo byaragiye intoki zaragiye amatungo arapfa amazu yahirimye ntabwo ushobora kugira ukuntu wabona utangana mituweli hejuru y'ibibazo byavutse ibintu byatewe n'ibiza mbese biturukanye n'imvura yaje.
East Africa often suffers from deadly weather during the rainy seasons. Last month, at least 14 people died after heavy rains triggered floods and landslides in southern Ethiopia. While hundreds of livestock perished, scores of houses were also damaged. Experts say extreme weather events are happening with increased frequency and intensity due to climate change. In Africa, which contributes the least to global warming, is bearing the brunt. For more in-depth stories and world headlines, tune in to SatLuzNetwork.com. I'm Ginger Jeffries. Thank you for watching.
Life is not scripted, never foretold. No matter what happens and where it happens, open your eyes and read between the lines. And never stop asking questions or wanting to know more. Discover the unknown. Hear the human story. Be impartial. Be courageous. Find the untold story. And keep the pioneering spirit alive. Committed to truth. SatLuz Network. Let the truth flow.